Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Braeside is one of the oldest residential neighborhoods in the city of St. Albert, located just northwest of Edmonton, Alberta. The community sits along the gentle curves of the Sturgeon River, a waterway that has shaped settlement patterns in this region for generations. This area has a mix of mature trees, winding streets, and homes built during the early suburban growth of the city. Its quiet character reflects the evolution of St. Albert from a small mission settlement into one of the largest cities in the Edmonton metropolitan region. The story of St. Albert begins in the mid-19th century when the area became home to a mission established by Father Albert Lacombe. In 1861, Lacombe founded the mission of St. Albert along the Sturgeon River. The settlement quickly became an important gathering place for Métis families, missionaries, and traders moving through the region. Farming, river access, and cultural exchange helped the small community grow into one of the earliest permanent settlements. As the town expanded through the early 20th century, areas near the river gradually developed into residential neighborhoods. Braeside emerged during the major period of suburban growth that followed the Second World War. Many of the homes here were built between the 1960s and 1970s, giving the neighborhood its distinctive mid-century suburban layout. Wide streets, mature landscaping, and nearby schools made the area popular with young families during St. Albert's rapid population growth. One of the defining natural features of Braeside is its proximity to the Sturgeon River Valley. The river corridor forms part of a long chain of parks and trails that run through the city. Today, this green space connects neighborhoods with walking and cycling paths and provides scenic views throughout the year. In the summer months, St. Albert is especially known for hosting one of the largest outdoor farmers markets in Western Canada. The St. Albert Farmers Market draws visitors from across the Edmonton region, filling downtown streets with local food, crafts, and live entertainment. Today, Braeside remains a well-established neighborhood where the natural landscape and the city's early history come together. Mature trees line quiet streets, and the nearby river valley offers easy access to nature within the city. This neighborhood tells a story of steady growth, from a riverside mission settlement in the 1800s to a modern suburban community. Thanks for watching.